Actually, there was a plan plan ahead of this fire drill. Actually, emergency drill with the port services, the entire port services. And a couple of weeks ago, we had a meeting with them, with the other authorities like police, defense, ambulance. We also involved transport department and other sections within the PNG ports. Today was the fire drill, and defense had to set up a bomb threat, preliminary bomb explosions. So they did that about 5 to 10 past 10, and upon hearing the explosion, we responded immediately. And then when we responded, we actually there was a fire set up, and there was 2 casualty set up, and police, St. John's ambulance, and fire department involved in this exercise. And this exercise was a big one, and it has been improved from the last exercise.